What is up, everybody? It's the Full Throttle Hog, and I'm coming to you with a different type of video today. There's not going to be any motorcycle riding or anything like that, but as you guys know, on this channel I do moto vlogs, or those cine vlogs that I like to do, and I know a lot of you guys are out there using different types of cameras for your vlogging as well. I discovered something today that I hope helps you out, and something that really caused me heartburn. So I have a love-hate relationship with these things. GoPros, I mean, you can do a lot with them and you can get really creative, and especially for moto vloggers and vloggers in general, sometimes they use them as their main camera. So something happened. If you guys have the iOS operating system and you went ahead and upgraded to that iOS 14, you're probably watching this video because you came into a problem when using the GoPro app with iOS 14, and it not allowing you to use the preview screen or the live screen with the app. And that's something as a vlogger I like to do, almost like a monitor that I can kind of keep track of where things are as far as composition. It was frustrating. I contacted GoPro, I had a case open with them. I was on the phone with them yesterday for an hour. That didn't help. Through a lot of research, I finally figured out. I'm going to show it to you right now. I know you're here for a solution, so I'm going to get right into it. Obviously, this is a different type of video. If you're here watching this for the first time, thank you for watching. On this channel, I typically do moto vlogs and cine vlogs and things like that. If that's something you're interested in, would love to have you follow along. Hit subscribe down below. But if anything, hopefully this video helped you out. Give it a like if it did, and leave a comment down below. So let's jump into the iOS operating system and I'll show you what you have to do. All right, so you upgraded into that iOS 14. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna wanna go into your settings. And in your settings screen, you're gonna wanna scroll all the way down till you find, I got a lot of apps on here, but you're gonna wanna go all the way down until you find your GoPro file, okay? And in there, you're gonna see something that's called local network. I'll turn this off and I'll turn it back on. With the iOS 14 upgrade, that by default is turned off, and that is the reason that you're not getting that live preview, and you're probably getting an error message from GoPro saying there's been an error. But I assure you, hit that local network, make sure that's in the on position, and you're back in business and your frustrations are over. Trust me, I dealt with this for several hours. I was actually out in the field trying to film a vlog when this happened, and it just really gave me heartburn. So that is going to be your quick fix on how to handle that issue. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're not familiar with this channel, I'd love for you guys to check out some of my other work. Let me know what you think. But other than that, take care, and we will catch you on the next one.